Dadagdagan ko lang yung pinaliwanag ni Dr. Marcelo. Kung ang mga puno nakakapagsalita, siguro sinabi na nila sa atin na pangalagaan natin sila. Kasi di ba ang mga puno, may magandang dulot din sila sa atin. Di ba, nakikita naman natin, dahil sa kakulangan ng mga puno natin ngayon, bumabaha na. Kaya tayo yung napeperwisyo. At tayo yung napeperwisyo sa kanila, pero pag gumamit sila tayo yung napeperwisyo, di ba? Kaya, malaki ang kakulangan natin sa kapaligiran natin. Environmental Education Curriculum. What is environmental education curriculum? Environmental education curriculum is the sum total of all experiences that learners undertake to help them become environmentally literate. It may also be referred to as the program of activities related to environmental protection and improvement. Okay? Dito, natututunan ng mga estudyante na mas sabi ngayon na pangalaga ng ating kapaligiran. Bali, dito sa yung curriculum na yan, para maging aware tayo sa kapaligiran natin. Dahil na masyado na natin napapagayaan ang ating kapaligiran. Katulad ng nasa picture na to, di ba mga bata lang sila? Pero alam nila kung paano kahalagahan ang ating kapaligiran. Parang nung nag-SNTP tayo, di ba? Nung nag-SNTP tayo, hindi man tayo nagtanim ng napakaraming puno, pero naglinis tayo at dahil doon, alam natin kung paano natin mapapahalagaan ang ating kapaligiran. Okay. Next. What is the role of environmental education curriculum? The goal of environmental education curriculum is to help individuals become environmentally knowledgeable, skilled, and dedicated citizens who are willing to work individually and collectively toward achieving and maintaining the dynamic equilibrium between the quality of life and the environment. Ang goal ng environmental education curriculum ay mapalalo ang ating kaisipan kung paano mapangalagaan ang ating kapaligiran. So, ay maging aware tayo kung paano natin makita sa ayos na mabuti ang ating kapaligiran. Then, dyan pumapasok yung ating pagbabayanihan. Dahil doon tayo magtutulong-tulong ang bawat isa para mapanatili ang kaayusan at kagandahan nito. Maraming salamat po. Thank you very much for that information. Now, let's have the third guest speaker. She graduated at Bulacan State University. She took a master's degree at Philippine Normal University. And to her caring for our environment, she is now the Secretary of the Department of National Resources. Let us all welcome Ms. Jane Elaine Nigra Maniaco. Thank you, Ms. Anna. What are the objectives of environmental education curriculum? Number one, to foster clear awareness and concern about economic, social, political, and ecological interdependence in urban and rural areas. Number two, to raise the pattern of behavior of individuals through society as a whole towards the environment. To provide every person the opportunity to acquire the knowledge, values, attitude, commitment, and skills needed to protect and improve the environment. So, as a whole explanation, in order to achieve these goals and objectives, the environmental education should be continued lifelong process to provide for all groups at all levels, both in out of school education. It should be fostered in public learning children, adolescents, and adults alike awareness and better understanding of the environmental issues. What are the virtues to help social groups and individuals assure a set of values and feeling of concern for the environment and motivation for actively participation in environmental involvement and protection. Dito naman, how we value the environment and our level of respect for the environment. Ito ba yung one? Binabali yung environment. Hindi ka nagkakaroon ng taas para sa blue, sa thirdly, skills. Not social groups in individuals accrue skills for identifying and solving environmental problems. Hindi ka na yung kailangan sa tao kung paano solve yung problem, kung paano susunod na yung problem tulad ng mga pagbaha, mga illegal logging, mga yung pag-conserve ng energy. Energy evaluation ability. Kung ang individuals and social groups evaluate environmental nature and educational programs in terms of ecological, economic, social, setting, and educational factors. Application ng teacher kung paano makonserve yung environment natin, prevent yung environment natin. And participation. To provide social groups and individuals with the opportunity to be actively involved at all levels in working towards the solution of environmental problems. Then, example na yung pag-join ng community project like green and green project ng barangay. Pero yung NSPP, yung naglilinis tayo ng kapaligiran ng issue, thank you po. Isang magandang mensahe. And now, saving the very best for last. She's the Dean of University of Santo Tomas. She graduated at University of the Philippines and got her master's degree at Bulacan State University. Let us all give her a round of applause. Dr. Cindy Cabral. Thank you for the wonderful introduction, Ms. Araga. Okay.